Today we'll be learning about the LCM, also known as the lowest common multiple. Okay, let's get into some examples of the LCM. Okay, so now let's have two numbers, say 6 and 8. So the first thing we need to do is find the multiples of both of these numbers. Okay, so for 6, it's going to be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. Let's keep going. And 42 and 48 and so on. For 8, we're going to do 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and so on. Okay, so now we've put out the multiples for both of these numbers. So now we have to find what's in common from both of these numbers. So we cross out what's non-common and we see what's left. Okay, so 6 is not present in 8, so we cross that out. And 8 is not present. 12 is not, 16 is not, 18 is not. And now we come across 24, which is present in both 6 and 8. And it's the lowest multiple that we've come across. Okay, so now what we do, so that's our answer. LCM of 8 and 6 equals 24. We don't want the highest common multiple, we want the lowest. So 24 is our answer. Okay, let's move on to 7 and 4. Okay, same thing, but let's find the multiples of both of these numbers. So for 7, it's going to be 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and 42. So on. Now for 4, it's going to be 4, it's going to be 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28, and so on. Okay. So now we cross out what's non-common. 7 is not, 4, 14, 8, 21, 12, 28, 28, 16, 20, 24. So now 28 is in common for 7 and 4, and it's the lowest common multiple. So that is our lowest common multiple. So LCM of 7 and 4 equals 28. Okay, now let's move on to 12 and 18. Okay, so now we find the multiples of 12 and 18. So for 12, that's going to be 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, and so on. So now we do it for 18. So 18, 36, 54, 72, and so on. Okay, so now I've put out the multiples of both of these numbers. And so now we cross out what's non-common. Okay, 12, 18, 24, and now we see 36, which is common in both of these numbers. So LCM of 12 and 18 gives us 36.